In this short tutorial, I will show you how to set your name on the lock screen of your Samsung device. Having your name displayed on the lock screen can be helpful in case you misplace your phone and someone finds it. It's a simple way for them to know who the device belongs to and how to return it. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit, and tap Lock Screen. After that, tap on the Edit button on the lock screen option. And then tap where it says Contact Information. Show information such as your phone number or email address on the lock screen so you can be contacted if you lose your phone. So what you want to do now is enter your phone number, email address, name, or any other important text. Tap Done. And then tap Done at the top right corner of the screen to save the changes. Now your device's lock screen will show the information you entered. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.